Pernambuco, located in northeastern Brazil, is a vibrant and captivating destination that offers visitors a diverse range of experiences. Known for its stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, and breathtaking landscapes, Pernambuco has become a popular choice for tourists seeking an authentic Brazilian experience. One of the best ways to explore Pernambuco and its surrounding areas is by using a drone. It provides an aerial view that allows travelers to capture Pernambuco's breathtaking beaches, landscapes and iconic landmarks from above. One of the main draws of Pernambuco is its stunning coastline, which stretches over 180 kilometers. From the famous Porto de Galinhas with its crystal-clear waters and natural pools to the secluded beaches of Fernando de Noronha Island, there are endless opportunities to relax and soak up the sun. Pernambuco has also gained recognition as a popular tourist destination due to its rich cultural heritage. The state is home to numerous historical sites such as Olinda's Colonial Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its colorful architecture and lively carnival celebrations. Whether you're looking for relaxation on pristine beaches or an immersive cultural experience, Pernambuco has something to offer every traveler.